Happy New Year's Eve! Beautiful people. Let's go straight to the castle, shall we?
I'm headed straight for the castle. They wanna make me their queen.
For the love of Christmas Eve.
Right now and to the snow pile. Right.
It's gonna be a night.
Okay, so it's not like Norwegian.
What is typical Norwegian, would you say?
John, are you hungry?
Look at my plate.
Oh, wow.
And this
Make
is
it
what they call
full.
like cold milk.
This is like...
Is it like the paste, right?
Happy New Year! Gunito! Yeah.
Ooh, that's sweet.
I know what is inside.
This is terrible.
Happy New Year!
Oh, that's
Oh, here nobody knows the song either. We see these coming to the party. So let me get a little tipsy. Don't stop.
Tonight, I'm going to see
the sunrise.
1 cent.
1 cent. $1. 5. Not 5. 10.
10.
25.
That's how it is.
100.
No, I want more money.
How much is this one again?
25.
They look like Mick Jagger.
Can you say one more time?
Okay.
1, 2, 10. Everybody will get
1, 5.
I'm holding up this space for people to scratch.
Is this the alcohol?
Yeah, that's what the... Oh no, there's snow in all of them.
Look! You can't even see it!
Shovel the alcohol! Oh, Jesus.
You can't see.
Look at that.
You can't see the alcohol.
John!
Don't shovel the alcohol.
I can see the alcohol. Oh,
Win Monopoly will cry.
it's like the heaviest.
Oh my gosh.
Oh, John, can you
Jesus, you can't
can
see
you
anything.
put kick down the snow on the fence, please, so we can see better?
We can't see nothing.
Yeah, this the fence. Yeah.
This is so bad.
Thank you so much. Oh, it's
Who has a snowstorm on like... Oh my god! About! Yeah, you're on! Happy New Year!
Happy New Year.
This is so bad!
Can anyone record me? I'm so
Happy New Year! Look at them, they're still going! Happy New Year! Happy New Year! Happy New Year! Look at them!
There's a river there.
Oh my gosh!
It's a river.
What the? What are you guys doing? You can't even see the fireworks. So bad. Like the weather is so bad. Happy New Year!
Happy New Year. We don't
Oh, look at your hair. It's so white. Yes! Oh my goodness.
Oh my God, what a weather. It looks on the cover, it looks like during the day.
I know. Like it looks like it's, but it's midnight.
Yeah, it is.
So bad.
These 3 guys blow candles.
Of the storm. Are you okay, Pavel? Oh!
But you know, it's not really that cold.
No, but then it's just so bad. Like the Happy New Year. In a way, we look like we are here be outside anymore. It's just so cold. Happy New Year!
My phone is wet.
Maybe new jacket?
There's one here.
Then perhaps my jacket.
Ooh. I'm sorry for the guys. They look like soldiers.
Siberia.
Like
Siberia.
Siberia. He was like, what was that shot? Like,
I'm like the passion for the fireworks!
I was like, wow.
They had to make a fat here.
Is this for your vlog?
Yes!
This is the New Year's hairstyle.
We are all wet. We were looking good.
we were looking
And now
good.
we are wet!
Not anymore.
Not anymore. It doesn't blow
You
up.
also look wet.
I look like the hair and everything, the makeup.
I never heard this sound before.
Happy New Year! Again.
It's empty.
Rock, paper, scissors, go.
Oh, you have to drink.
I love it.
Dancing is no snowman Christiansen, and this is what we got. We're gonna go home, but no, because everything is just blocked. Like everything is just snow everywhere. So no. Good night on New Year's Eve, you guys. Look at that fire. That's a fireplace. And I'm the only one awake. Everybody else is asleep.
The next day.
Literally digging our way out of the snow. Oh my gosh. Reporting to you live from New Year. Oh my god. This snow is literally up to my... This is not funny. I think I have snow in my boots now. Like literally. It's frozen everywhere. I am dying here. So snowed in.
The next day.
We are snowed in. We've been told to stay inside because it's just crazy. Vlog. And the plan for today was, today's the 2nd of January. The plan was, we're supposed to have a planning exercise for the year. But no! The snowstorm is so bad that the authorities said everybody should just stay home. Yeah, so I just wanted to say, I wanted to take out the trash, but I don't think I'll be able to. I want to see if like the trash thingies can even open, because if they're covered in snow, there's no point of me walking all the way down there. So there's a snowstorm in Kristiansand. Yeah. So hopefully those people who are traveling back from holidays make it, because I hear the roads are also like terrible. So yeah. Snow. Yeah. I am not going nowhere. Oh my god. Look at this. It's a whole snowstorm. Okay, I'm going back inside now, because this is not feasible.
Later that same evening. The next day.
Okay. at this car. Damn. Reporting to you live. Today's the 3rd. Today's the 3rd of January, right? And this is our situation. So we've been cooped up in the house for 2 days. Oh my gosh. Decided to take a walk. In this winter wonderland, everything is covered. There's like, look at that mountain of snow. There are heaps of snow. Look at buildings are blocked. Look at that. Ain't nobody getting this. Oh my god! I gotta go! The university is frozen. Look at all those heaps of snow. Y'all, welcome to semester start. International students. This is what it looks like this year. Damn! What? Yeah, international students are supposed to arrive tomorrow. So good luck. Welcome. Oh my god. You're supposed to. Wait. Wait. Wait for me. Oh my. Can I just wait for you here? Huh? Sounds like a better plan. I'm just gonna wait here because this isn't it. But people are still walking around, you know. Everyday life goes on. Everyday life goes on. Look at that. Are you okay up there? Oh, they cleaned the car park with no cars. Oh, my fingers are freezing now. Come down here. You're ready to go all the way back? I'll hold your hand. Come. I'll hold your hand. Come. Okay, you shouldn't be laughing. How dare you? There's snow in my pants. Stop!
Later that same evening. The next day.
Hello, beautiful people. It's the 4th of January. We're still snowing. Yeah, I just started to take a short walk this morning. I don't know if it's morning or it's afternoon now, but yeah, being indoors for 3-4 days can be a lot. So yeah, and today is when international students are supposed to be arriving, but then campus still just looks dead. It looks dead. Yeah, but otherwise we're bracing the snowstorm. Yeah, the roads are being cleared. Yeah, I think you can still see like the snow is, I don't know if it's falling or it's just the wind, so snow is flying around, but yeah. So yeah, that's the update from here. Like, it's just snow everywhere. So a happy 2024, everybody. I am happy that you come with me on this journey and you watch my videos, and I can't wait to see where we go with all the other videos in 2024 and what adventures we get up to. I'll see you in the next video. Happy New Year!